Happy Tuesday, greatest sales force in the world. I hope you are all doing well. And to all our friends who are watching these things, you are a part of our team or not, my message to all of you this Tuesday is if you empty your pocket investing to your mind, later on, your mind will take care of your pocket. So, back in 2013, I almost emptied my pocket. I almost emptied my bank account, investing to my brain. I traveled all across America to attend seminars, trainings of the company that I was working with before. And then now I'm in the insurance industry and it pays off everything. Everything that I invested, I lose money before because I wanted to invest into a dream, something bigger than I am. But what do you mean by investing to your mind? So life is a trick. You have to trick your mind that someday you'll achieve something. Someday your dream will be realized by investing into a seminars, reading different books every single day of your life will help nourish your brain. You know, all around us, there's a lot of influence, social media, bad news, TV. If you keep on listening to those things, it will just ruin your mindset. That's why a lot of parents would say, go to school, study hard, and find a high paying job. I would say, it's okay if you only have small dreams. But I will tell you, this system is not good in terms of achieving greater things. It will just build up a lot of debts. I don't know any employee that has a lot of debts, but most of them are relying on borrowing money from the bank to buy the things that they want. Now, if you are an entrepreneur like us, you need to go all in and invest to your brain most of the time. For me, I read books minimum 10 pages in a day so I can grab all the information, all the books, all the podcasts, all the YouTube channels that I'm subscribing in before I go to bed. 1 hour or more, depends on the topic. I'll spend most of my time for the past 10 years listening to these ideas. Later on, it will pay off. It will pay off like you'd say, where are this money? Where are these properties? The time that I was struggling, I thought that I cannot able to make it. But yeah, those sleepless nights, those books that you read, sometimes you in the first 3 months that you are doing those things, you will probably say, "Oh, I don't understand. Is it possible? Just by reading 1 or 2 or 5 pages in a day, this will change my life." So I'll tell you what, it's possible. It happened to me. I'll show you quickly what I have achieved in this thing of investing my mind every single day of my life. So as you can see, this is my office in my house, but I have a big office in town. But this is a small office that I have in my new house, and I have 4 bedroom house here. That's the fruit of my imagination. And here, this is our kitchen. So it's just an idea before, but it come to reality as of now. You can see. So it's possible. You just have to believe in yourself. Nice kitchen for the wife here, that she can prepare the food that she wanted to. A nice room for my son to watch his movies and play his instruments here. So yeah, I think it's realizing now. But hey, it's not an overnight success. It takes hard work and dedication. For me, investing my mind, it took me more than 10 years now to do that. And that's the life, and that's the life that you can achieve once you are committed to grow yourself every single day of your life, no matter which country you are in. If you are in America, Canada, Philippines, anywhere in Asia, it's possible. Some people said New Zealand is one of the expensive place to build your property, but I will tell you, if as long as you focus on it, you can achieve it. And I'll tell you, I'm just warming up. In the next 10 years, I gotta build more, I gotta expand more. So that's what my plan. I did not stop from investing in myself. I still read books, buy books that are helpful to my goal of developing my mind. In the next following 10 years, you can see what this vision will accomplish. And especially with all of you that are coming to my journey, I'll help you achieve the same. One of the thing about this company that I'm working now, this is like, if you help enough people get what they want, you can also have everything you want. It's not only about me now, it's all about we. So I hope from now on, commit to yourself in investing to your brain, no matter you don't have a meeting in a day, but the following day, you need to cope up that one. If you like resting, make sure to use the book as a refreshment. It's like eating a bread with a Coke on it, or whatever food or diet you want to do. But healthy foods are food for the brain. And I would say it's like breakfast, lunch, dinner. There's always a time for everything. Time to read a book, time to go to work, time to pray, time to exercise. As long as you balance it consistently, fruits will come. Because in these books, they're gonna teach you how to hit your goal, how to make a plan, and do the plan, and review your plan. Everything that you want to achieve, it will start in your brain. So let's go. Let's dream big and never give up, and continue what you are doing now. Don't you ever quit. Let's go. Bye bye. God bless.